What's up, guys? So, it's raining outside and I'm, you know, just got back from eating lunch, even though it's already like 5:30 p.m. But
Whatever.
a company called DesireWear decided to send me some stuff. They contact me on WhatsApp and Instagram, and I say, yeah, sure, why not? I already know what they send me, but I'm gonna act like I don't know what's inside. Ooh, what could be inside of this thing? I never know until I open it. Wow, I hope it's not shirt. Here's the thing, a lot of people have this shirt right now, so if you have the exact shirt like I am wearing right now, please leave a comment below and I will favorite your comment. No, I'm just kidding, I will just like it. I look like a girl, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna unwrap this thing because this is not a box, so that's why we call it unboxing. A scissor. Are you kidding me? No?
Hey, sorry I missed your call. I was just calling you back to let you know that I love you and I miss you.
Alright, let's see what's inside. Ooh, shit. It's inside within the bag. It's a bag within a bag. Oh look, it's their bag. Desire, stay sweet. You can follow their Instagram if you want. You can follow their Facebook, or you can contact them on WhatsApp. That's pretty nice actually. But look at all this shirts, bruh. Oh, that's like a. Oh. So they send me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts and 3 stickers. First of all, let's see. This one, I like it, striped. This one, this is my favorite one. I'm gonna rip this one. This one is nice. This one is pretty nice also. I'm gonna rock with these and this one. So I'm gonna try one and see. Yo, that looks so sick. In the back it says Sutre Suito. It's probably like I'm guessing stay sweet in Japan. I'm gonna try one of these, man. Forget the banana tea. This thing is shit. This thing rock. Hey, look at that. Oh, that looks so dope. Thank you so much, DesireWear. This one is L. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that is so nice. I just farted, sorry. Hey, look at that. That is dope. But yeah, once again, thank you so much, DesireWear, for sending me all the 6 shirts and this sticker. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to follow their Instagram and buy the stuff, follow them at DesireWear on Instagram and contact them on WhatsApp if you want to buy them. I never thought that people would send me some stuff. It's really touching and honored. Machine wash cold. Do not bleach. Tumble dry low. Do not iron. Wash with light colors. Be a good human. Tell your parent you love them. Give to mama, then go to skate. I keep saying this, but thank you so much, DesireWear, for sending me all these shirts. I really appreciate it. And one more time, if you guys wanna buy their shirts, go to DesireWear at Instagram and contact them. Or you can go to Facebook and get their gear also. DesireWear Co. on the back. I can't wait to skate with this on. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. DesireWear, you rock. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh shit! Thanks, man. Fakey tray dengan fakey flip. Got it. Alright. Ah, dah catch ada. Okay, okay, cari wait. Yeah. Oh! Fuck, dah catch sial. Apa tu? Oh ya. Wow. Betul pressure. Tapi nama dia. Tapi yeah. Woo! That's good.
See you at the